Hey there, my friend. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Sadhan Samanta. I welcome you to this video. Today, I'm really excited and really pumped up as always. I'm just coming from my jog, had a bath, and I'm just talking to you. And I'm going to talk to you about this audio today that I was listening regarding why rich get richer and the poor get poorer, right? You must have heard this phrase a lot of time, but I'm going to give you an idea basically why this happens. But before that, before I get into today's topic, I just want to welcome all those new people who have joined my team recently, and they have taken the opportunity of joining my team for free. So I first of all want to welcome all of you guys, and I want to congratulate you for taking this chance, taking this opportunity to join my team, and that is absolutely for free, right, my friend? So basically, as I said, I'm going to refund you $25. So just make sure that you have activated your e-wallets, because I'm going to transfer you $25 in that. And secondly, just send me the screenshots of your Empower Network back office as well as e-wallet back office. And when you send the screenshot, make sure that your wallet ID is visible, because then only I'll be able to make the transfer. Otherwise, I won't be able to, right? So just send me these things, and I'll try to make the refund as early as possible. There's a bit of rush, a bit of quite a few number of people are there, so don't get worried if it delays a little bit. But all of you, whoever have joined my team in the last 72 hours, they are going to get a refund. So don't worry about it. Okay. So with that, basically today I'm going to talk to you about, like as I said, why the rich get richer and the poor get poorer, right? Basically, I was listening to this audio, as you all know that I jog in the morning, and when I jog, I listen to audios and these powerful audios, which you can get from Inner Circle product. That is one of our one of. I mean, this is I would say one of the best products that we have, because this gives you the mindset of becoming successful, my friend. And as I'm sharing with you all this time, until and unless you have the mindset, you cannot really be successful, because you need the correct mindset to reap the benefits of your hard work. And with the mindset, with the right mindset only, you can put the hard work, right? So basically, in this audio, John talks about why the rich get richer and why the poor get poorer. Basically, again, it is about the mindset. What happens is, like, in a daily basis, in a daily scenario, what usually happens is, like, if let's say you have a friend, right, and he wins $1 million lottery. So what is your immediate reaction, or what is your immediate feeling? Right, you don't really feel very happy or very good for him, the person, your friend who has won the lottery. Rather, you sulk down and you feel, oh, like, he has won the lottery, I could have won, and all those things. And you basically, you really don't wish well for your friend. But that is the thing that needs to change, my friend, and that is why rich get richer and poor get poorer. What happens to the rich people? If let's say, if there is a rich person, and he's let's say he's a billionaire, right? And he applies for a contract, and his friend also applies for the same contract, and his friend wins the contract of $2 billion. Then this friend, what usually happens in rich people is, he'll congratulate and he will bless that person, that he will wish that his friend gets even more than what he has already got, right? So basically, what happens is, when you are wishing, when you are praying for your friend or the other person to get whatever he wants, basically you are sending out signals to the universe. And if you have watched the movie The Secret, you must know that whatever you send out to the universe, whatever thoughts, whatever frequency you send out to the universe sends it back to you with even more, like, you can say, double the amount, or it multiplies the amount that it sends back to you. So if you are constantly thinking about negative things, then you are going to get back the negative things. If you are constantly thinking about the positive things, you will get back the positive things, right, my friend? So this is basically what is the difference. Like a poor person and poor people, they always keep on sulking. They always keep on thinking about the negative things, and they are never happy with anybody's success, or they are never happy if somebody get a big amount of money or something like that, right? So if you are just starting up in this industry, in the network marketing industry or the internet marketing industry, and if you are looking that people around you are making money but you are not making money, my friend, just always wish them well. Just always wish and pray that they get as much money as possible, and you will see that it is coming back to you gradually, and it will come in so much amount that you would not even imagine or believe in it, right, my friend? So basically, that was the today's lesson. So always think positive, always wish well for others. If somebody is making money but you are not making money, don't get jealous. Don't get jealous of it, and always wish good and always wish more for the other person, and you will see that it is all coming back to you, right? So that is all I wanted to talk to you about. And if you want to listen to all these audios directly, then what you have to do is you just have to get into Empower Network. That you can do it just by clicking on the link below under this video. If you are watching it on YouTube or any other video hosting website, you can just click on the link. This link will take you to my blog. If you are already on my blog, just click on the register now button and it will take you to the joining page. In the joining page, you fill in all the details. Make sure that your sponsor ID is the alternate way, and my name is Sadhan Samanta. And just select the check boxes of terms and conditions. Click on buy now. Go to the next page. Take out your credit card. Fill in the credit card details and pay. And then you become part of my team, and then you also get access to all these wonderful audios, all these powerful audios, these audios that are keeping me motivated, and the other thousands of other people who are into Empower Network. It is keeping them motivated, right? So basically, you will get also the same kind of motivation, and you will also be on the path of success. So that is all, my friend. Take action, take step. Don't sit on the sidelines. Join right now. We'll work together, and I'll make sure that you become successful, right? With that, to your success, this is Sadhan Samanta signing off. Peace.
Folks, obviously the income examples discussed in this video are extraordinary. The income claims presented are not intended to serve as a guarantee of income. Instead, they're designed to give you an idea of what's possible. Success in this business requires leadership, hard work, and dedication. Since we want to help you make an informed decision, we've gone above and beyond with our income disclosure document. If you want to see the average earnings, please visit the page at www.empowernetwork.com/income.php.